Hey friends, Jessica here with Creators Couture with a really quick tutorial recap. So in this tutorial, I was inspired actually by an advertisement that I saw. And it was actually by the official Fabergé account, and it was to celebrate the beginning of Ramadan, and it was a ring here. But what was really interesting to me is that kind of texture in the ring and the moon shape, and I thought it was really interesting and a really fun jumping off point for and kind of my challenge was to kind of duplicate that or um, kind of get that sort of effect. So I thought it would be a really fun challenge to do something inspired by that. And so this is what I ended up doing. So we've got this nice moon here against that deep red background, and I thought it would be a really amazing opportunity to use some of my Goldplay brushes, my metallic gold brushes, even my Celestial Gold Mine layer styles. So just a quick tip, I will put the full tutorial, which is about 30 minutes, down below in the comments. It's over on Behance platform, and it's a live tutorial, so that's always really fun. And if you're a Behance subscriber, you can download the tutorial resources, the loaded brushes, the PSD file, and you can even use this in items for sale. So, and here's the one that I did live, which was always a little less nice than the one I do before the live, so I'm not going to save that. And then also you've got the file set up here, a starter file, so that you don't have to do your own moon shape. So you can just kind of go ahead and have some fun and play. And I'm just going to show you a few of the brushes that I used to create this in this tutorial. So this one here is, let me just zoom in just a scotch here so we can get a good view. And we have got from the Wet Paint Mixer Brush Studio, I used this brush number 4 and I really liked it. We just get a lot of these, I wanted to do it in the gold for the background here, and you get all those lovely variations of the gold. It looks very metallic and it was kind of smooth. I wanted to use that for the background, and then just let me zoom in a touch here. So then we go into the Goldplay brushes, which I used here. So here's an example of the Goldplay brush I used, number 34. And then also for these jewels, I used just a simple brush from my Instaglam collection or my Creative Couture Styles collection. And then I applied those layer styles. This is the Pave layer style right here. And also over here, I used some Goldplay brushes just for the accent on this gem. I thought it was really fun. And then in the background here, I've got some Galaxy brushes that add a really nice texture, and also some other Galaxy brushes, which I used in this, I used the color palette from my Jewel and Gemstone Brush Studio. So we got all those beautiful ruby colors coming out. Just kind of added to that, and I love the depth and everything that came with these Photoshop brushes. And then also this was a perfect time to use one of my ruby styles from my Celestial Gold Mine collection. So that is a little recap of the tutorial. The full tutorial is down below. It's about 30 minutes on Behance, so check that out. And let me know if you have any questions, and I will see you on the next tutorial and tutorial recap.